Let's learn how to divide 440 by 2 using the long division method. Consider the first digit 4. We know that 2 times 2 is 4. Subtract, we get 0. Now this 0 is less than 2. That is why we will bring down this adjacent 4 here. See that this is the number 4. So remove this 0. And we know that 2 times 2 is equal to 4. Subtract, we get 0. Now this 0 is less than 2. That is why we will bring down this adjacent 0 here. Look that this is the number 0. So remove this 1 0. But as this 0 is less than 2, but as we have brought down this 0 here, so we need to divide it. We know that 2 times 0 is 0. Subtract, we get 0. But in this case, we have no number to bring down here. As we have got the number 0 and we have no number to bring down here, so we will stop. Therefore, 440 divided by 2 is equal to 220. And this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment on the video. Also do subscribe our channel.